Do an exam on Miss Darby. She loves her ball. So we're gonna work for her, aren't we, Miss Darby? Excellent. Okay, hang on. We're gonna listen to you. Good girl. Good job. Hooray. There you go. Okay, he said, good girl. Good job. Wait there. Hang on. Ready?